Now that was an NCS music. Have you tried to listen to the sound from subwoofer, and was that noticeable? Please comment below if you heard something like there is a subwoofer. So that's what I'm talking about in this video, about how to blend the bass from the channel speakers with the subwoofer. That means you must never hear the subwoofer, where the subwoofer is, or what type of sound is coming from the subwoofer. So what is the concept? Bass blending. There are two ways that you can listen to the music. One is by boosting the subwoofer level to what, like jerking all over the house, and all of the tables, windows, or jerking. And that's one of the way that we usually play a subwoofer, a music system with subwoofer. And another way is the real way how to listen to music in the real manner is that you must not hear the sound from the subwoofer. You must not hear anything from subwoofer. You must not recognize where the subwoofer is kept in that room. So that's the way it should be. You must be able to listen only to the speakers, only the sound from the speaker. But the subwoofer must be playing with that speaker also, but you may not listen anything from the subwoofer. You feel like the bass, the real low bass is coming from the channel speakers, left and right speakers, or all the 5 channel or 7 channel speakers. You must not be able to hear the right position of the subwoofer. That's the way, that's what we call bass blending. That's the way that I love to listen to music. And in certain situations, I used to boost the subwoofer to maximum, to jerk all the body, get that vibration on my chest, on my dress, on all over my body. That's another vibe. And the real manner that I love to listen to music is the way that is blending the bass with the channel speaker, blending the bass of the subwoofer with the channel speaker. That's what you heard at the beginning of the video. So to make that bass blend with the channel speaker, the first technique is to reduce the volume, reduce the level gain or whatever you have with the subwoofer amp, and reduce it to 0. Then make the channel speakers to the maximum level that you love to listen, that you are interested at that present moment, at that time. What the level is, you should keep the channel speakers to that level, maybe 25%, maybe 50%, or whatever. Then play a music or something that keep that bass coming out like at equal interval. That's the easiest way, or else you may need to try with some frequencies or something. That's something difficult to do for everyone. So try to play a music that is beating at equal interval. Then slowly increase the level of the subwoofer to match with the channel speaker level, and it should not exceed the level of the bass or the sound level from the channel speaker, and that must be the level of the subwoofer to play with the channel speaker. Now try the music that you need to play, and you can hear that blend from the channel speaker and the subwoofer. That's one of the best bass level that you can experience from your sound system. Try it now itself. Close the video and go and try with the music. Experience that's the real sound level that the studio might be recording to get that maximum, to get that beautiful sound level from your audio system. So that's all for the video. Try now itself. But before going, please hit the like button and subscribe to watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching.